Redi-Rock is a modular retaining wall system that uses massive concrete blocks to create gravity walls, reinforced walls, and geogrid reinforced walls. The system is designed to be easy to install and has a variety of block sizes and textures to create a natural stone look. The Redi-Rock blocks are produced using high-strength, low-absorption concrete to provide durability and resistance to freeze, thaw cycles. The blocks have a unique interlocking design that creates a stable wall system without the need for mortar or pins. The installation process typically involves excavating the site, leveling the base course, and then stacking the blocks in the desired pattern. The blocks are lifted using machinery or a lifting system built into the block. Redi-Rock walls can be used for a variety of applications, including landscaping, erosion control, and transportation infrastructure. The system has been tested and approved by various engineering and regulatory agencies for its safety and durability. Flexamat is a flexible erosion control matting that is easy to install. Before installation, the surface should be properly graded and prepared to ensure proper drainage. Once prepared, the Flexamat is unrolled onto the surface and secured in place using stakes or other fasteners. The matting should be overlapped by several inches to ensure complete coverage and prevent gaps from forming. After installation, the Flexamat should be inspected regularly to ensure it remains properly secured and there is no damage or erosion. Flexamat is a cost-effective and low-maintenance solution for erosion control, providing long-lasting protection against erosion in a variety of applications, such as shorelines and stream banks. Its ease of installation and long-term effectiveness make it a popular choice for erosion control projects. Enviromesh gabions are wire mesh baskets filled with stones, used for erosion control, slope stabilization, and other civil engineering and construction applications. They are made of welded or galvanized steel wire and come in different sizes and shapes. Enviromesh gabions are cost-effective, flexible, easy to install, and environmentally friendly compared to traditional concrete or masonry structures. They can be used for retaining walls, channel linings, culvert outlets, and decorative purposes in outdoor spaces. In summary, Enviromesh gabions provide a durable and sustainable solution for erosion control and slope stabilization. Block molds are specialized tools used for the production of concrete blocks, paving stones, and other similar products. The molds are made from durable materials, such as steel or aluminum, and are designed to withstand the pressures and stresses involved in the concrete casting process. Block molds come in various sizes and shapes, depending on the desired product. Some molds are stationary, while others are mobile, allowing for flexibility in production. The molds are typically designed with an interlocking system that allows for easy assembly and disassembly, making them easy to use and maintain. In the concrete block production process, the mold is first filled with the concrete mix, and then the mix is compressed using a press or a vibrating table to ensure proper compaction and strength. The mold is then opened, and the concrete block or paving stone is removed. Block molds are widely used in the construction industry due to their durability, versatility, and cost-effectiveness. They are an essential tool for producing high-quality concrete blocks, paving stones, and other similar products for use in a wide range of applications. Firestone EPDM rubber is a synthetic rubber material used for flat roofing systems. It is highly resistant to weathering, ozone, and UV radiation and can withstand extreme temperatures. The seamless membrane sheets are easy to install and require fewer seams, reducing the risk of leaks. The roofing system is lightweight, making it suitable for retrofit applications. Installation involves cleaning and preparing the roof surface, applying a water-based adhesive to the underside of the membrane, carefully laying out the membrane, and sealing necessary seams or edges. The installation process is quick and requires minimal disruption to building occupants. Overall, Firestone EPDM rubber provides a cost-effective and reliable solution for commercial and residential buildings requiring a durable and weather-resistant flat roof system. Bubbledeck Construction is a building system that uses hollow plastic balls made of recycled material to create a lightweight alternative to traditional concrete. The balls are placed in a grid pattern between two layers of steel or reinforcement bars, and then concrete is poured on top to create a solid slab. The system reduces the weight of the slab by up to 35% compared to traditional concrete slabs, making it more economical and environmentally friendly. It also improves the slab's thermal insulation properties and reduces the amount of concrete needed for construction. Bubbledeck is commonly used in residential and commercial buildings, bridges, and other structures, and the construction process is similar to traditional concrete construction. Aircrete is a lightweight building material made by mixing cement, water, and aluminum powder. The mixture is poured into a mould and cured in an autoclave to create strong, durable blocks with excellent insulation properties and fire resistance. During installation, Aircrete blocks are typically laid using mortar or adhesive, with additional reinforcement provided by steel rods or mesh. Because they are lightweight, they can be easily handled and transported, speeding up the construction process. Aircrete is a cost-effective and sustainable alternative to traditional building materials, using less energy and fewer raw materials in production. Its durability and ability to withstand extreme weather conditions make it an ideal choice for building in areas prone to natural disasters. Birco drainage systems are typically constructed using durable materials, such as polymer concrete, stainless steel, or galvanized steel. Installation of Birco drainage systems typically involves digging a trench or channel alongside the road, parking lot or other surfaces, and then laying the prefabricated channel into the trench. The channels are then secured in place using concrete or other suitable materials, and any necessary connectors or fittings are installed to ensure proper flow and drainage. Once the channel is securely in place, a layer of bedding material, such as sand or crushed stone, is added to ensure proper support and drainage. The channel is then backfilled with suitable material and compacted to ensure stability and long-term performance. Overall, the construction and installation of Birco drainage systems require careful planning and attention to detail to ensure proper functionality and long-term performance. Concrete canvas is a flexible, cement-impregnated geotextile that hardens when hydrated to form a durable and fire-resistant concrete layer. It is commonly used for applications such as erosion control, ditch lining, and slope stabilization. One of the key benefits of concrete canvas is its speed of installation. The material can be quickly and easily deployed using minimal equipment and manpower. It is lightweight, easy to transport, and can be unrolled onto the prepared surface, hydrated with water, and left to set within 24 hours. This makes it a popular choice for construction projects in remote or difficult-to-access locations. Concrete canvas is also a cost-effective solution for a variety of applications, providing a durable and fire-resistant concrete layer that can withstand extreme weather conditions and other environmental factors.